your boy Anthony here and back with another Pokemon trading card Evolutions unboxing. So we got a Venusaur pack. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna drop the camera for a second so I can open it properly, guys. Okay. There you go. Got it open. Okay. Here's the code. Okay, you got the cards. 2, 3. So first we got Charmeleon, Trainer, Venus Pursuing, Energy Retrieval, Beetle, Magikarp, Energy, oh, the Vulpix, what? Nidoran, oh, that was a Doug Trio, I'm pretty sure that, oh, a Charizard, and a Doug Trio. So guys, I'm going to be giving away a code, so here's the code, you could take it, okay, take the code. If you already took the code, then give it to somebody else, okay guys? So